This is what happened when I had to get into a Jeep Patriot, where the door wouldn't unlock. That door handle just did nothing. When I eventually got to that, by removing the small sort of door handle part of the door panel from inside while it was still locked, and I managed to break this piece of door lock off. It was still locked, and this pin inside here, just here, this pin here, I don't know if you can see right inside on that pin, that controls the locking, and no matter how many times you worked the door lock, it would not open. So once I got in, I levered that pin across, and then that allowed the door catch to catch. Not doing it now. It's had a lot of hassle as this thing. And then the door lock pinged open, because it just needs to hook onto that pin and pull it down. And that's what went wrong with it. To break it open and fit a new one.